So, this is the magic trick. A Tom playing card game. Now, I'm gonna teach you how to do this one. Now, said when I said stop, it will stop. Stop. So, this is the card. Five of five of diamonds. Diamonds. So right here. That five of diamonds. Right here. And right here. It's in the middle, right?
Opo, teka lang!
And I get it. Rub. Now it's in the above. Now this five of diamonds, I will tap it like this. Now all of the cards will be five of diamonds. So all five of diamonds, get it? All five of diamonds. Now I'm gonna teach you how to do this one. So
Wala naman dito
this
eh!
card is yeah, five diamonds, five of diamonds, five of diamonds. So in all five of diamonds.
That's hilarious, man!
And get it? Now it's all five of diamonds. When you do this one, you will get five of diamonds. But if you do this one, you get random cards. Random cards. Because its size is bigger than one. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.